two things. Here I am having two set of files. One is Python. This one I downloaded from python.org in the 3.x version. This one is pycharm is the IDE.
This is I downloaded yesterday.
Yeah. So same, almost same it is. Mine is 3.6 because it is I downloaded previously around 2 months earlier. It's only minor version changes. So once the installation is complete, path variable concept in systems.
I have heard about it, but not.
Yeah, I will show you. I triggered the pycharm also, so it got launched like this. Let the Python installation complete. In the meanwhile, by default, when you type Python here, it won't recognize because local app data programs Python got installed here.
Yeah, the same thing is here. It is installed in local app data.
Okay, so here python.exe, if I type the python.exe directly here, I'm not providing the complete location of this one. So what it will do is, this is the current working directory. C users today, it will check there. If it is not available there, there will be a list of folders. It will check in there one by one. That list of folders will be specified in this environment variable, advanced settings, environment variable section. This is particular to that user who is logged in, and this is for all the users in a machine. In a machine there might be multiple users, right? So this is common for all the users. Here I mentioned all the folders. So if it is not there in this location, what it will do is, it will search in all these folders one by one. Whenever if it got picked here, it will use it. So I'm adding this Python into that list, this folder also. Understood? So it will start searching from here. By the end it will check here. If you want to make it fast, you can simply keep it in the top. So it will check in this folder directly. This is for Windows 10. In Windows 7 and those environments, instead of this list, we'll get a single string. Okay. Each of them separated with this semicolon. So in Windows 10 they made it a bit easier to look. Now I need to close the command prompt and open again. Then only it will load the environment variables again. Now if I type Python, it able to recognize.
Okay.
So it able to pick because it is listed in that folder. So now file association, I am leaving all these things. It's launching that. So when pycharm is installed, it will check for that Python installation in the local folders, and it will pick automatically. If it is not, we need to do it manually, add the configuration. Wait, still loading. Let's see whether it is loading or it's got closed. The task manager, we can see whether that particular program is running or not. It's not running. So no projects for mine, so I'm just creating an empty project, and it will detect the interpreter as it is in path variable. So when I create it, so it will check the existing installations in Python, and it is using that in the background. So it is just a layer on top of the existing Python. So, wait, it's see, in Python, if you want to add any libraries, they will be installed as packages. So it's looking for. So let me, if I create on this just file, it will ask for the extension also, which file you want to create, and I'm creating this Python file. I need testing something. So now something. So when I run, it's still updating the skeletons. still loading. So then only this option will get enabled. Now I can run this. It will ask for which file. It will show the output. First one is the command it is running in the background, Python and this Python file, and down it will show the output. Here it will show if any error. If it is success, it will be 0.
Okay.
So see, if it is a Python version 2, the syntax will be like this, without braces for print. In version 3, this is the syntax. You don't need to open the command prompt and run. Directly you will see the output. And we have this debugging options also. If you are having multiple lines, with these debug options, you can check line by line if any issues. If you are an existing project, directly import that using open, and that project you can import. If you are familiar with Eclipse, Eclipse also is having on Python plugin. You need to install that and you can use. But anyway, for learning purpose, this pycharm is enough.